maybe it was Tuesday. I took off and came in yesterday, tried to come in today, but I had a flat tire when I went outside. So I came back in, called my husband. He was fussing because he was like, why are you trying to go to work anyway? You're sick. And so while he was fussing, I was strategizing in my mind, trying to figure out how I could get to work because I have stuff to do, right? And it turned out that I went in the room and I decided while I waited for help to come, that was not my husband, that I would take a COVID test, and the test ended up positive. So I decided that I would record a video because I will not be at open house tonight. So while I was still dressed and looking not sick, maybe I look sick, maybe I don't know. But I decided that I would go ahead and quickly record a video for you. So I just wanted to briefly talk to you about our class and welcome you and your students to journalism. We have two classes that I teach. I teach broadcast journalism first period, and I teach yearbook journalism second period. And even though they are two distinct classes and they are different, we work on the same news, and it's the news that we report for our school. The delivery is the only thing that is different. Broadcast journalism delivers the news in a video format, and yearbook journalism delivers the news in a written print format. And so I teach a lot of the same strategies with both classes. They learn photography, they learn videography, they learn the elements of photography, how to take a picture, how to film a video. They learn how to compose themselves, how to look, how to hold the camera. They learn vocabulary terms. They learn to analyze videos and tell me what strategy they used or could have used in order to enhance the video. So it's just a whole lot of information that they learn, but on top of most of the learning that takes place, the kids have a good time. They get to learn to problem solve. They get to learn how to work with others on a project on a regular basis. They learn how to get up in front of people and speak. They learn how to be great orators. They learn how to market. They learn how to budget. They learn how to meet deadlines. So all of this is a part of the class, but it's also life skills that they're learning when they are with me. And so I take I take pride in having them with me and being able to impart knowledge onto your students. Pre-COVID, we used to take field trips, and we're going to try to bring those back this year. Just a couple of them that we have done in the past so that the kids can get out of the walls and get, to places where they can learn how it really goes out there in the world of journalism. For my class, I ask that students come to class prepared with their Chromebook and their chargers. I ask that they master the softwares that we use, which the yearbook class uses a Walsworth software that is provided to us by the company. The journalism class, we use WeVideo to produce our videos, and I purchase an account for the students, and I teach them everything that they need to know in order to cut and edit and produce videos. We will probably use a little bit of editing software. They will learn Canva and how to design using Canva and bring those designs into programs that we're using to produce our final products for each class. We do get married at the end of the class. So the students, well, it's not at the end of the class, I apologize. It's at the beginning of the class. It's probably going to take place between October and December. The kids have a wedding and they marry their jobs because they are in this. If they've committed to be in this class, they are in this class for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer. Until 8th grade, they do part. So we do a formal ceremony where they commit to being dedicated to their jobs, because without their commitment, we cannot produce yearbooks. We cannot produce a daily show. And so this is a symbolic way of the kids joining together and uniting with the jobs that they have to do in this class and committing to doing them regardless of what happens, whether they have to ask somebody to stand in for them. They have to be committed and work out a plan if they're not able to fulfill their job, for how their job will be successfully executed. It is my pleasure to have your students with me this year. We do ask that as you're out shopping, that you buy them a black t-shirt, purchase a white blouse or shirt for them, and khaki pants or skirts, because that will be necessary during our wedding. We all dress in white or white and cream or white and khaki, and the black t-shirts are a project that we do where we create shirts for the students in our class. Other than that, I do ask that the students have some type of flash drive so that they can save the news that they do, or they can transfer their files properly if they're not using Google Drive efficiently. I also ask for donations of snacks and hot chocolate pods, because we have a Keurig. If you have a refrigerator that you would like to donate to our class, we would take it off your hands in a moment, because there are Monday morning huddles that we do. There are cooking classes that we do for our news show, where we have to store food in the refrigerator and it's just for us to enjoy. But we teach students how to make healthy smoothies. We make our show awesome. So we need a place to store that particular food. So as far as anything else is concerned, your students academically will have daily participation work. They will have not many tests, but sometimes when they're not listening, I may give them a pop quiz. And they have a project every 9 weeks that they have to complete for the class. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me anytime at charlotte.lockhart@palmbeachschools.org. I will post this video as well as the syllabus and the supplies needed on our Google Classroom so that you can refer back to it at any time. Again, thank you for your support, and I look forward to meeting each and every one of you in the near future. Be well and stay safe.